In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tables in draw.io for Confluence. Whether you're a Confluence enthusiast or a newcomer, following these steps will help you seamlessly integrate tables into your workflow. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, let's head over to Confluence. Once you're there, you'll want to add a new page. You can do this by navigating to the appropriate section where you wish to create a table and clicking on Add Page. This is where you'll name your page. Let's go ahead and call it Table Structure. Naming your page is crucial because it keeps your work organized and easy to find later on. Now that you have your page set up, the next step involves integrating draw.io into Confluence. Simply begin by typing in draw.io. This command is a quick way to invoke the draw.io diagram feature within Confluence, making it incredibly efficient to access. Once you've done that, you should see the option to click on draw.io diagram. By selecting this option, you're essentially setting up a blank canvas where your new table will be created. You'll then want to choose the basic option. Basic is ideal because it provides you with a simple and streamlined interface that makes table creation intuitive and straightforward. With your basic setup already, it's time to select blank diagram. This option gives you a clean slate to work on, ensuring that your draw.io experience is entirely customizable and free of unnecessary clutter. After selecting it, proceed by clicking on Create. And just like that, your workspace in draw.io is officially ready. Now comes the essential part, adding a table to your canvas. Navigate up to the toolbar and look for the table icon. Once you've found it, hover your mouse over the icon and drag it down and to the right. You'll notice that this action allows you to select the number of rows and columns that you need for your table. Once you're satisfied with the dimensions, click to add it onto your canvas. This interactive method ensures that you set up your table exactly how you would like it. After placing the table, the fun part begins: customization. Tailor the table's design to best fit your needs and preferences, whether it's adjusting column widths or modifying the color scheme. The power is in your hands to make it just right. Finally, once you're satisfied with your customization and everything looks perfect, you'll want to click on Publish. Doing so will finalize your table, allowing you to share it with your team or keep it for personal reference. Publishing consolidates your changes, ensuring everything is saved neatly within Confluence. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table in draw.io for Confluence. With these steps, you can do so with ease and efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and happy table making.